Of the best VPN application out there. Today I will be showing you guys how to use this application here like a pro. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy layout. And over here you have the account section. So you can pretty much check your account information. Nothing much for that there. And here you have the upgrade to premium, which gives you the premium servers, no ads and software. You know your drift. But if you want a 7 days free trial, you can also get it as well, and then start paying the monthly fee. So you can pretty much get the opportunity to pretty much test out their service. So that's pretty much it for that. And they're also giving you 7% off as well. So that's pretty much it for that there. And in the settings option, nothing much. You'll be able to select your connection mode, which is for the VPN protocol, which you can use, but the other protocols won't be available unless you have their subscription. So if you want to get access to the other servers, you need a subscription. Same thing here as for the kill switch. So if the app using features, pretty much you allow whichever application to get VPN connection. Here down here you have the auto connect. As you can see here, it will automatically connect once there's an internet connection in your device, or you can enable the option of when you're connected to an unsecured Wi-Fi connection, it will automatically connect the VPN. So that option is pretty much up to you if you want to enable it. Here, this option where it says fastest server, you just tap on that. This will pretty much take you to their server section. These are all the locations that they have available. Let's say quite a lot of servers. At the top, you may see some servers that do not have the crown icon. So these servers are all the free servers that you get. Not much, however, and most of them are pretty much United States servers. But whichever server you choose, you can pretty much select it. Once you have selected that server, you're pretty much good to go. But what I do recommend is pretty much leaving on the smart location option, and you'll be good to go, and it will automatically select the best free server for you. But once you have a subscription, I do recommend using the premium subscription servers because they are much faster. Here you have the streaming option, which gives you quite a lot of streaming servers for Netflix, all the top streaming websites out there. And these where you pretty much need a subscription, so do keep in mind. Also, before connecting or selecting any server, make sure to tap on the refresh icon here so it can update all the servers for you and you choose the best server. And that's pretty much it. And once you have selected a server, just tap on go here and we'll ask for connection request. Once you ask for connection request, just tap on OK and we'll start connecting in no time. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. Glad to have it, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.